Hey guys, welcome to Big Basket YouTube channel. My name is Franky and today I'm going to demonstrate this glistening, luminous, fresh out of water makeup trend called Dolphin Skin. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To achieve this look, you need some seriously good skin prep, and that is why I am applying and massaging an oil primer all over my face. Then I am applying an illuminating moisturizer to make my skin look healthy and glowy. Now I've taken a dewy finish foundation on my palette and start applying it with a wet sponge using dabbing motion. You can also mix a few drops of liquid highlighter for that extra glow. To bring some lively color back into my skin, I am applying a cream blusher using a damp sponge, dabbing it upwards and outwards. Now I'm applying liquid bronzer over my cheekbones to add some depth to my face. Apply only on the edges and use very less product. Make sure everything is well blended and apply the leftover product on the edges of your forehead. Now I am highlighting my skin by strobing the high points of my cheeks and the top of my cheekbones using a cream highlighter. Apply in thin layer for best results. To conceal the dark areas, I am applying a satin finish concealer under my eyes and on the sides of my mouth and blend outwards in a dabbing motion. Make sure that the concealer has blended well with the rest of the makeup. I am setting my under eyes using very less powder and applying in a circular motion using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Only set your T-zone with the setting powder, leaving the cheeks completely free of powder. Now I am filling in sparse areas of my brows with a very light hand in the direction of my hair using an eyebrow pencil and blending it with a spoolie. I am applying eyebrow gel to set the brow hair in place and add some dimension to my brow hair. Apply some concealer in the lid to achieve an even base. Use a fluffy brush to apply brown eyeshadow to the outer corner of the eye and blend in outwards and towards the crease using windshield and circular motion. Apply a shimmery shade on the lids using your finger and blend the edges using a fluffy brush. Apply the same brown eyeshadow on the outer edge of the lower lash line and blend outwards. Apply a shimmery color to the inner corner using a precise brush to highlight the area. Apply a few coats of mascara and individual false lashes on the outer corner of the eye. I am applying a peachy pink lip liner all over my lips and layering it with a shimmering gloss. Finish off the makeup by spritzing a dewy setting spray all over your face. And this is the complete look. Get all the products I used from the beauty store by Big Basket. I will leave links to all the products I used in the description box below. To check out more videos, subscribe to Big Basket Lifestyle YouTube channel or visit us on blog.bigbasket.com. I hope you liked this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you next time. Bye.